Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ainsley Dawkins here, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to talk about how we can use our smartphone devices or tablet devices, any kind of smart devices, and using different apps, especially this one app right here, and how you can start to earn $5 or $10 over and over daily just by implementing these steps from these apps and using these apps and also sharing these apps with others. Now, the app that I'm talking about is called Dosh. You know, Dosh, D-O-S-H, and it's a great app, and what it does is basically you use the app in order to purchase different products. So you hook up your bank card or credit card, whichever you like, and you start to purchase different things. Like maybe you go out to the restaurant, instead of paying with cash or your bank card, or you just hook up your bank card to this app and you pay using this app, and you get cash back from different places. You know, we have restaurants that does it, hotels does it, different kind of grocery store uses it, big chains such as Walmart, some other big chains, Savers, a lot of different things, a lot of different companies are also accepting these apps and these apps of payment. So all you have to do, once again, just log on, download the app, log on, put a secure credit card or bank card into the app so it can register that card, and once you're ready to purchase, you just open the app and use it. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you a little bit exactly about what I was talking about with this app.
I'm gonna take you into Dosh on my iPad, because you can also have it download to your iPad. You can also hook up your credit cards to that as well, and you can also use it going to these different places, and when you shop you get your cash back, because it's a cash back app, and it automatically give you cash back when you use Dosh. So think things like that, like if you book at the Hilton, the what was that, Wendy's, the Hilton, different variety of things, you get your cash back to Dosh, and then Dosh will pay you out. So you link your card with Dosh. You can do more than one card if you want, so you can have multiple cards hooked up to Dosh, so when you go out to eat or you book in your hotels or flights or whatever, the discount is going to be for your cash back. Then you can also use any card that you have set up with Dosh. So you know, you live your life regular, so when you spend your money regular, you might as well get some cash back. You're gonna eat anyways, you're gonna probably travel, you're probably gonna go to hotels and things like that. So download Dosh and you get it to your phone, you can get to your Google or your Android or your iOS. Basically, once you purchase through the Dosh app, you don't need to do any of these, and you don't need any hassles of uploading the scanning barcodes, putting photos, taking pictures of photos, uploading no email rebates, no promo code. Just once you purchase through the Dosh and you have those cards already connected to your Dosh app, it basically gets you the cash back. So brands, places, hotels, you love it, different brands. You can see there they have Home Depot, Holiday Inn, Sheraton, Gap, different ways of earning. And as you can see, you scroll down, up and down Dosh, you get 10% cash back, 10% cash back. You doing an oil change, you doing some automotive repairs, you get % cash back. There we go, Starbucks, renting cars. So once again, just go ahead and download this. Hope this gave you some more information of how Dosh works. You can book hotels and get premium prices with hotels. So that's, once again, the app is free to download. Just download it, get your cash back. You can download it. You see the App Store or your Google Play Store, and you can either use the link in my description, or you can go ahead and just go to Dosh.com and also.
Yes, folks, so that was just a little gist of how this app can help you out and how you can get cash back by using this app. Also, you can earn $5 or $10 over and over, sometimes even more, just by using this app and implementing different steps that the app will tell you to do. So once again, it's Ainsley Dawkins. Hope you got some value out of this. Make sure you click the link below and get that Dosh app. Put that Dosh app on your smartphone device, on your smart tablet, whichever one you want to use, preferably smartphone, and start using it and start getting some cash back and start earning some extra money. And also make sure you share it with your friends. Once again, it's Ainsley Dawkins. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like my fan page. I'm going to share a lot more gems of how we can use technology, the internet, in our smartphone devices and earn some extra cash. Once again, it's Ainsley Dawkins. See you on the other side.